Hey friends, happy Friday. It is your friend in flowers, Lisa Mason Ziegler, and I am super happy to be coming to you a little late this morning because we have so many flowers for the show today. And so this is your personal invitation to join me inside the app at 12 noon. We have an amazing lineup of flowers, and y'all, if you want to see all the different varieties of Rudbeckias that I grow, we have such a show. Plus, I'm talking sunflower successions, better known as cash cows in the flower farming world. So, grab your lunch, which is what I just finished eating here quickly in my family room, and get a beverage and join us at 12 noon Eastern Time inside the app. You can just comment app here, and I'll DM you the link to get it, or you can just go to your phone's app store. Y'all, inside the app, you can enter for the free giveaway, which is a $25 store credit for one lucky viewer, as well as get on board with all the comments and talk to other viewers. It's tons of fun. So join me 12 noon Eastern Time on Fridays. You can watch replays inside the app. We have a summer sale going on. Friends, today is it's like beginning. This is where cool meets warm. We're kind of revving up for that, and I just hope you're going to be there. So friends, 12 noon Eastern Time inside the app, and we'll have a great show, and I hope to see you there. Ciao.